Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks to make your short viral after uploading them. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I recommend you to install YouTube Studio so you can upload your short using the YouTube Studio application. Okay, you can install this YouTube Studio. You can get it from Play Store or Apple Store, and then you can open it, and you need to log into this YouTube Studio with your YouTube account, and then you can upload your short here. You can click on this plus icon, and then you're going to choose the short that you want to upload to your YouTube account. And for me, I'm going to upload this short. Okay, and then you can add the caption. Make sure that you write the caption as detailed as you can, and make sure that it's CEO friendly so it can be discovered by your audience. Okay, and for the caption guys, usually I ask ChatGPT to make a caption for me. You can go to ChatGPT, and then you can explain to the ChatGPT the kind of video that you want to upload. Wait, I'm going to show you my prompt. Okay, I have asked ChatGPT to make a caption for my YouTube short, and the short is about the beautiful view in the mountain, and I'm going to make it viral, so make sure that it's captivating and CEO friendly. Okay, and this is the caption that ChatGPT has generated for me guys, and then we just need to copy the caption. Okay, you can copy the title. I'm going to copy the title here. Okay, and actually you can immediately copy them all. Wait, I'm going to copy the description as well, like this. Oops, sorry. For the description, we can add it to the description. So for the title, just leave it like that. Okay, and you can change the visibility to unlisted. Don't change it to public, or don't publish your video before the description and the tag complete. So I'm gonna make it unlisted. Okay, and then you can add location as well if you want, and you can select the audience. I'm going to make it no, it's not made for kids. Okay, and then you're going to allow video and audio remixing, and make sure that the command is on, and then I'm going to click on upload short. And after the short has been uploaded, you can add the detailed description and also hashtag. Wait. Alright, and now the video has been uploaded, and then we're going to edit the description, and you can put the description that the AI has generated on the description section. Okay, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Alright, and then don't forget to add the tags to make it more discoverable. And for the tags, I also asked ChatGPT to make it for me guys. So I'm gonna copy the tag. Okay, you can add the related tags for your video. Oops, sorry. Alright, the tags have been added, and then I'm going to go back, and after you have put on all the description, hashtags, and also tags, you can publish your video. And I hope that these tips and tricks will help you to make your short go viral. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.